कर लेंगे, पूछिए ना।
हाँ पूछिए पूछिए।
Hi, this is Alice Trader from Amarasi. I'll keep my questions for you. You've come back after a long hiatus, and you said roles that have been very different from the other. With an audience this critical, they've showered a lot of love, and it's pretty warm response. How does it feel to not only receive this kind of a response, but also the love that you're receiving for exploring?
When I think of coming back, it feels like a second coming. I guess in my case, you could argue it's a third. But to be received and met with love, respect from my colleagues, curiosity and appreciation is something I'm extremely grateful for. To make a comeback after a period of 12 years is not something you can really plan. I just prepared for it. All I knew is this is what I know what to do. I missed being on set. I missed part of telling stories. I missed, the connection that takes place between the people you work with on a very human level, and that is very special and very exclusive to this profession. And finally, for me, this will be my fourth release in just over a year, and to have it with Housefull 5, the greatest comedy franchise, most successful comedy franchise in Hindi film history, which brings everyone together through joy, through love, through madness. For me, it just feels like a celebration of this process, or this comeback, or however you want to phrase it. So, having said that, I'm just extremely grateful to all those who have believed in me, who thought I had a few rounds left, who've given me an opportunity to work with, this kind of talent, and especially to Sajid. It's the second time we're working together, and I felt very much at home. And he's a true brother and a well-wisher, and extremely grateful. And congratulations to you, your company, and 75 years, and to everything that you do. And wish you continued success. Lots of love, brother.
Ram sir, I'll come to you. I'll come to you. Yeah, complete कर लेते हैं. जी.
Congratulations. मैं उपमा हूँ हमारे टाइम से. सब लोगों को ट्रेलर बहुत मजेदार है, और मेरी दिली शुभकामनाएं है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छा करे, क्योंकि ये हमारे समय की, हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए जरूरत भी है. आप सब अग्री करेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं जो हमारे बॉलीवुड है वो उस तरह से उतना परफॉर्म नहीं कर पा रहा है जो हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं या जो पहले किया करता था. अक्षय, आप भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं, साजिद आप हैं, अभिषेक, रितेश, आप लोग भी प्रोड्यूसर हैं. कहाँ आपको लगता है कि कहीं हमसे चूक हो रही है किसी मायने में, कुछ कोर्स करेक्शन की जरूरत है?
किसको पूछा?
आपसे पूछा, अच्छा आपसे पूछा.
We have to evolve and grow every time. And I've been here last 37 years. और हर 5-6 साल में ये feeling आती है कि it's going to shut down. So this shutdown gives you a feeling of always working, and this is how we've done 100 years of film industry, and 75 years we've been part of it, and we've been only hearing कि अब ये last 7 साल है, अब creative content खत्म हो गया है अब. So I think so this helps us to grow more further. जितना we hear this statement कि अब content खत्म हो गया, and सबसे easiest, that's why I realized कि सबसे best है कि Housefull का board ही बाहर लगा. So that is why Housefull came in. So everywhere जहाँ लगी होगी आप एक चीज तो पक्का है, Housefull का पोस्टर तो लगाओ.